Hello, everybody, and in today's video, we are going to talk about body, pain, and living in this reality. We have been programmed for a very long time to believe that the reality which we live in believes in pain. But what if pain is only and only something what is creating limitation in your body? Okay, let me put it in very simple words. When you are in pain, what if it is a resistance to what your body is trying to tell you, which means you are trying to resist any communication with your body, and your body is screaming for help, saying, please help me, please help me. And what if we identify that as pain? So, pain is not real, pain is what you resist, because pain is something which is the intensity that your body is willing to give you some kind of information than what you're willing to understand with your logical human brain. But what if you allow yourself to connect to your body to understand what that body is trying to tell you? 99.99% of the diseases are caused by trapped emotions in your body. It is when we judge ourselves for emotions, it is when we do not allow our emotions to be expressed, we trap them within us, and that is what creates pain. I'll give you a very simple example. We judge emotions as good or bad, where if we are being happy, we are being joyful, we are considered to be normal. And if we are crying, if we are angry, if we are upset, it's considered to be abnormal. We can even not express those emotions. We might just forget about it. There are people who say, oh, I will never cry in front of people, but I would appreciate if you just get inside your room and cry. Because when you're not crying, you consider yourself to be strong. No, that's not strong. That is what I call as emotional numbing. Because crying is what I call as releasing. Similarly, when you're feeling upset and if you show it on your face, you're considered stupid. You are if you are trying to feel the emotions fully, you are considered to be immature. But what if that is exactly what traps the emotions in our body, and later on, over a period of 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, that creates disease? And then we say, oh, it's a matter of age that you will have diseases in your body. No, it is not because of age, but it is because you're holding on emotions for a very long time that causes disease. So, what if instead of that, you could create this connection with your body? You are certainly not your body. You are an infinite being beyond what your body can say. In an access consciousness, we say that we are an infinite being because we are much, much way beyond our body. But yes, it is very important for us to have this amazing relationship, or what I call as the great communion with your body, which means if we have a good connection with our body, we live a happy, healthy life on a physical level. If not, so I'm going to quickly give you an exercise which we do a lot in access consciousness classes. My name is Ashwini Chube, and I am an access consciousness bars facilitator. I'm also an access consciousness body process practitioner, and I have seen miraculous changes happening in the lives of my clients after they started using these tools, not only for their bodies but also for their beings. In an access consciousness body process class, we learn 60 odd body processes which can change anything and everything, and I've seen my clients having miraculous breakthroughs in their lives. So in today's activity, I'm going to give you a quick tool which you can use anytime to create that connection with your body. So gently just be in a place of comfort, maybe just close your eyes. And this tool you can use anytime you feel disconnected with your body, or if you want to, what I call as, ground yourself. So put your hands on your face, touching every bit of your face. Feel your eyes. You can use both your hands. Now you can close your eyes and feel your face, feel your cheekbones, feel your neck, feel the rest of your body just by touching it. And at this point of time, you can simply express your gratitude for being there. Okay, so now I'm just using my video stand to see if this can stay well. All right. Hello. You can touch your hands on your face, on your palms, and express gratitude to each of your being. You can thank your body by telling it that, body, thank you for putting up with me no matter what, no matter how much I judge you, no matter what I feed you with, no matter what is going on. Thank you for staying with me, being there for me. And thank you for being kind to me. Thank you for being the gift of being you. And whenever you feel good and you feel ready, you can gently open your eyes. All right. And now do this exercise every day in the morning when you get up from your bed. This is one of the best ways to ground yourself. Ancient Indian scriptures talk about gratitude too, and there has been so much research being done on when you wake up in the morning and creating a morning routine. And I think this is one of the best things you can do for your morning routine. I hope this video helps you to understand and connect more to your body. As I'm saying again, you are not your body, you are a being, you are an infinite being, but you do have a connection with your body. And how healthy and how wonderful your life is depends on the wonderful connection you have with your body. So do this exercise as many times as you want, and do share in your comments how did you feel about it. For more on my work, log on to www.unicorninsight.com. I'm Ashwini Chube, and if you wish to book a session with me, please drop an email on inbox.unicorninsight@gmail.com or on ashwini.chube@unicorninsight.com. We only take sessions on pre-appointments. So please make sure to avoid any kind of disappointment. You book your appointment in advance. Yeah, appointment to book disappointment. How funny, isn't it? And what you could also do is you could drop in an email to inquire about all the other services which we provide, which include not just access consciousness or coaching relating services, but also angel card reading, tarot reading, one-on-one coaching, personalized coaching, and also light language healings and Akashic records, and all the amazing things we do with Unicorn Insight. Yes, you can find a lot about it on our website. And thank you for watching this video. If you haven't yet, do subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook and Instagram, which is Ashwini Chube Official and Unicorn_Insight. That's for today. Thank you for watching this video. And if this video makes sense to you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.